In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find a password here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go to your PS5 home screen, go up to the very top and select this little settings gear, just like so. Open this up and go to users and accounts, and from here you need to select account on this left hand sidebar and find security on here. Select security. It's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff on here. Look for like two-step verification, and obviously you could see your two-step verification thing. If it's set to backup codes, you could check those in here as well. And of course, your password's also going to be in this exact same section. But you can open up these individual settings, check these. I would recommend, if you are using backup codes, that you go ahead and write them down or take a picture of them and keep it somewhere safe, because they can be used to access your account for two-step verification. But just keep that in mind. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.